Customer states, "My truck has become a money pit. The other guys already replaced parts, but still no change. This is what it's doing. Going down the road it runs fine. Then all of a sudden it loses throttle. Help!"
Come over here. Let me show you what's wrong with this truck. Got the J-Pro scan tool fired up and ready to go. Did a full vehicle scan. There we can see in the engine computer fault codes we're dealing with. Accelerator position sensor number 2 and sensor supply 5 circuit fault. Let's keep those two faults in the back of our mind because they are related. I'll show you here once we get to the wiring schematic. Looking here at J-Pro's fault guidance, this fault code occurs whenever the accelerator position sensor is reading out of range. And for those that don't know, on this specific truck, as shown here on this wiring diagram, it has two accelerator position sensors built into one sensor, APP1 and APP2. Whenever there's a problem detected in one of those signals, the engine ECM will ignore those sensors, and in turn, you'll lose throttle, which is what's happening with this truck. So where do we even begin? Well, remember one of the fault codes was for APP2? That's the one we're going to be focused on. And also remember the fault for sensor supply 5? Well, that's the 5 volt reference for that sensor. So we are also especially interested in that wire. So next step, let's look for a short to ground on that 5 volt reference. Looking at the engine data, there we can see sensor supply 5 has got a good 5 volt reference right now. So the problem's intermittent. To find the short to ground, I'm going to leave my meter back probed on that 5 volt reference wire. Then I'm going to wiggle the harness around till I get that voltage to drop out. All right, looks like we found our problem in this area. Here, let me show you. You see it? Looks like it's grounding out on this bracket. Yes, sir, there you can see the wire looms rubbed through. There was actually several wires that were damaged in this area. The purple one was a 5 volt reference that was giving us a problem. All right, got it repaired, cleared the faults. All of the 5 volt references are reading good. After a road test, no more throttle loss. This one's good to go. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.